Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be unboxing this FeiyuTech Gimbal. The model is WG2 and it supports the GoPro Hero 6 Black, which is what I got right here. The GoPro Hero 6, it does have digital image stabilization, but it's just, digital is never as good as optical. I got some of the information on the back of the box over here. Now the reason I got this one is because this is waterproof. And I'm going to Alaska soon, so might as well get this. I shopped around for other gimbals such as DIY, but in terms of my research, the FeiyuTech one seems to offer more for my money. Let's open this up here. I bought this used, so I paid roughly like $200 or so. Alright, see what's in here. We got a warranty card. Here is instruction manual. So I can use it in a number of scenarios. If you want to read any part in more detail, just feel free to pause the video. It can also mount it in different orientations too. They also provide an app for me to further customize it. There's auto rotation mode, manual lock mode. Alright, disclaimer information and different language. Here's the nothing else in the box over here. It's a soft pouch carrying case. A little bucko over here. Let's take everything out. Micro USB cable for charging this device. This is like a GoPro session mount. Another micro USB cable. A GoPro style mount with a tripod thread adapter. Another bracket. I'm not exactly sure. Actually, you know what? This is probably just a tripod thread adapter on here. I think this is more for like point and shoot cameras. Micro USB charging port right down here. Tripod thread adapter, one on this side here. Power and mode button. Another tripod thread adapter on the bottom over here. It's got like non-slip pads on this side and this side as well. LED indicator. Not sure what this is. Oh, it just got caught in packaging. Another type of adapter. I'm not sure what this one's for though. But for my camera, it should be this right here. It's mounted. It's not quite covering the microphone, but it's coming pretty close to it. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the FeiyuTech WG2 wearable gimbal. Stay tuned for my review video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.